what really happened in this case is that the market is still in uptrend, you understand, but you don't have a confirmation if the trend is still continuing, because the market has refused to create a new higher high from this level. It has refused to take this high and create a new high, and you can't say the market has changed trend once it has refused to take this low to create a new lower low, you understand. So in this case, the market is consolidating until you see this before you sell. The market has continued the trend, because this is how it happens in reality, you understand. This is just an illustration. So once we go to the Academy YouTube channel, my name is Akinola Kini, I'm the lead instructor. Guys, this is the only video you need when it comes to market structure. This is the typical illustration of how market structure is. There is no any other thing you need to know after knowing this movement in the market. When the market is in uptrend, markets create higher high and a higher low. It creates it continuously until it change the trend, you understand. And when the market is in downtrend, it creates lower high and lower low until it change the trend. I know there must be some videos online saying different things. Once you know this, that is all you need. Any other things an additional, you understand. This is just a typical illustration, though it is quite different in reality. Let us assume you have something like this. In reality, you may see something like this. The market is in uptrend, creating an higher high, higher low, and you see started seeing something like this. What really happened in this case is that the market is still in uptrend, you understand, but you don't have a confirmation if the trend is still continuing, because the market has refused to create a new higher high from this level. It has refused to take this high and create a new high, and you can't say the market has changed trend once it has refused to take this low to create a new lower low, you understand. So in this case, the market is consolidating until you see this before you sell. The market has continued the trend, because this is how it happens in reality, you understand. This is just an illustration. So once we go to the chart, you will see clear illustrations on that, on how the market move. So you can see this now. Let me zoom the chart. So you can see it clearly now. You can see how the market is moving. The market is creating a lower, this is downtrend, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. You can see the market is in downtrend. You can see that started creating a lower high and lower low. So once you see this, you know that the market is trading down. But you can see in this situation that this place now, that the market is not straight like the diagram is. So you can see some consolidation before this low is taken out, you understand. This is when we know that the downtrend is still continue. Same thing applicable when the market is in uptrend, you understand. So you can see the market will be creating an higher high, higher low. Let me look at the more clear illustration. Okay, let's use this. Let me delete this on the chart. So in this situation now, you can see that the market is creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This is just a typical example of market structure. You understand? This is how it's being done. So there's a situation I want to explain. So let me delete everything on this chart. There's a situation I want to explain. Okay, fine. This is it. You understand? So you can see that the market is creating an lower low. You can see lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. But in this situation, you can see this, how this is being done here, that the market started creating a new trend here. So in this situation, we don't know what to do. You understand? So we call it consolidation or ranging. You understand? So until the market break this level, before we know that the trend is still continue. Until the market break this level, before we know the trend is still continue. So you have to wait for something like this to happen. Then know that the market is continue. So this is the lower high, and the lower high has not been taken out. So if the lower high has been taken out, maybe we have a change of character in the market. The market wants to change the trend, but so far the lower high has not been taken out and the lower low has not been taken out. The market is ranging or consolidating. There's no decision yet until we see the breakout of the lower low or the lower high. This is just a typical example of market structure. There's no any other thing. So there may be a grammar added to it or some spicy added to it, but this is just the traditional structure of the market. That is how it's been moved since technical analysis has been implemented or has been created for traders. So that is how market is moving. So guys, I'm going to drop a video on break of structure. You understand? So I'm going to explain in details how what is break of structure and what you should look out for before you can confirm a valid break of structure. This is, you have no market structure now, that the market move in uptrend, market move to create a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and the market move to create a lower low, lower high on a downtrend. Once you have already know market structure, you understand. So it remain the break of structure. So in the next video, I'm going to drop the break of structure. That is why you need to subscribe to this channel and on your notification bell so that you won't miss the video. You understand? So because with the knowledge of market structure, you should be able to understand break of structure also. So guys, I wish you happy trading and always trade responsible.